Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunshola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. Today I've got a very interesting video for everyone because today's video will help with our personal effectiveness and our professional development. The topic for today would be refine your big dreams using a bucket list. Before I go on with the topic, I'd like to give some professional advice, what I actually call a three-step professional advice to everyone. Firstly, I advise that everyone should have big dreams. So please have personal big dreams and have professional big dreams. Everyone should set a goal. So set personal goals and set professional goals. And then everyone should take actions on their goals. So again, the three steps I talked about already is that you should dream bigger, personal big dreams and professional big dreams. Actually, short-term personal big dreams, mid-term personal big dreams, and long-term personal big dreams. Short-term professional big dreams, mid-term professional big dreams, and long-term professional big dreams. Then you should set SMART goals. Goals that are specific, goals that are measurable, goals that are achievable, goals that are realistic, goals that are time-bound. And lastly, you should take action so that you can achieve those goals. Now let's go to the topic of the day. Again, redefine your big dreams, could be personal dreams, could be professional dreams, using a bucket list. Firstly, what is a bucket list? The term bucket list was firstly coined by the American British screenwriter in his movie titled The Bucket List. That movie was released in the year 2007. So the bucket list is simply a list of things that we want to do or we want to accomplish before we die. So a list of things to accomplish before one's death, that is the bucket list. The bucket list is actually from the etymology kick the bucket. So that is where the term bucket list also comes from the etymology kick the bucket. To kick the bucket means to die. Add that to a list, then you have a list of things you want to do before you die. So the bucket list is also something that ensures that we accomplish our dreams before we die. It helps us to fulfill the life experiences that we want to achieve or encounter before we die. When you make your bucket list, some people can have be very adventurous and they have very bizarre things on their bucket list, while others might decide to just keep it simple. KIS, keep it simple. The bottom line is that with the bucket list, you have an incredible opportunity to achieve goals, no matter how those goals are challenging. You can achieve those goals and you can have them on the list and you say, before I die, these are the things that I want to achieve. Now let's go to the question, why make a bucket list? When you make a bucket list, it helps you to keep track of your goals. You are able to say, I want to do X, I want to do Y, I want to do Z, I want to do A, I want to do B, I want to do C, I want to do 1, 2, 3, and then you can track this as you live on. Also, having a bucket list will keep you motivated. Having a bucket list will also help you to maximize incredible experiences in life. It helps us to take actionable steps towards achieving our life goals or life dreams. So with a bucket list, you can achieve your life goals, you can achieve your life dreams, you can achieve your life to-do list. A bucket list is actually what I would call a life to-do list. Now, the question, what is on most people's bucket list? For some people, on their bucket list, it is the desire to accomplish certain life milestones. For some people, it is the desire to travel. For some people, it is the desire to spend quality time with family and friends. For some people, it is the desire to do a daring activity. It could be. And for some people as well, it could just be to accomplish some personal or professional goal. So are you making your bucket list today? Will it be that you desire to travel? Will it be that you desire to have financial stability? Would it be that you want to spend more quality time with family and friends? Would it be that you want to do something daring? Make your bucket list today. And how do you create a bucket list? Firstly, you need to find a place that works for you where you can brainstorm all of the ideas. Remember, when you make your bucket list, there are no barriers, there are no limitations. Everything is possible when you make your bucket list. Also, remember to do you when you make your bucket list. Don't think about others, think about what you want, think about what motivates you, think about what will make you happy, think about what you want to contribute to make the world a better place. Think about what will make you healthy, and that's how to make your bucket list. Also, the inspiration will not come all at once. So it could be that you go straight away, you can write 15 list of 15 different items from your personal goals and professional goals on your bucket list, and then you're stuck. That's no problem about that. Just have a list or on your smartphone, and when the idea comes up, please continue making your bucket list. Now, the last thing is that you have to evaluate your bucket list. Which items on your bucket list have you achieved, for example? Which items matters most to you on your bucket list? Which of those items is the craziest idea on your bucket list? And my last advice is that you begin to reflect on how. The how is very important. How can I achieve these personal goals, these professional goals that I have on my bucket list? Ladies and gentlemen, that was a short video today talking about how to redefine your personal big dreams, your professional big dreams using a bucket list. I hope this video will help someone to create an effective and efficient bucket list. Thank you very much. As you know, we love to hear from you at iDPS Consult Netherlands. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Please click the share button and share the video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all educational and professional development videos that we will be making in the nearest future. Thank you very much. Also, you can contact us at iDPS Consult Netherlands by visiting our website www.idpsconsult.com, or please send us an email at info@idpsconsult.com. We love to educate the world. We want to know how we can serve you much better. As you know, I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is that Africa must be united and Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing all you can to promote African unity. Keep doing all you can to ensure that Africa must develop. Thank you. This is where it comes to an end today. Therefore, in English language, I say, thank you very much. Dutch language from the Netherlands, I say, dankjewel. Yoruba language from Nigeria, I say, esheo. Bye.